How an engine starter motor works. Step 1. Ignition switch activated. When you turn the key or press the start button, the car's battery sends power to the starter motor through the ignition system. Step 2. Solenoid engaged. The starter solenoid acts as an electrical switch. It receives power and pushes a small gear, the pinion gear, out toward the engine's flywheel. Step 3. Pinion gear connects to flywheel. The pinion gear meshes with the flywheel's teeth. The flywheel is attached to the engine crankshaft. Step 4. Electric motor spins. The starter motor's electric motor begins spinning the pinion gear, which turns the flywheel. Step 5. Flywheel turns crankshaft. The spinning flywheel rotates the crankshaft, causing the engine's pistons to move up and down. Step 6. Fuel and air ignition. As the crankshaft turns, the engine draws in air and fuel. The spark plugs ignite the mixture, starting the combustion process. Step 7. Engine starts running. Once the engine starts running on its own, it no longer needs the starter motor to turn the crankshaft. Step 8. Pinion gear disengages. The solenoid retracts the pinion gear back into the starter motor to prevent damage to the flywheel. Step 9. Starter motor stops. The starter motor and solenoid stop receiving power, ending their operation. Step 10. Engine operates independently. The engine continues running using its own power, with the starter motor now idle until the next start. Thank you.